inside the chicken coop, and we have things where they sleep. So over here, we're going to go in the door here. Let me zoom out. I have two friends in here. They weren't feeling very well, so I had to take care of them. They had some cuts on them from their new feathers growing in. So I put some medicine on them, and they're healing up. And I just have to wait for their medicine to dry so their friends don't bother them while they're healing. This is where the chickens sleep, on these little roost perches. They sleep up here. They all like to sleep on this top roost perch. They like to sleep as high as they can. It's instinctual that they sleep as high as they can so that the predators don't get them. So like predators like a fox or a raccoon could get them. Obviously nothing's going to get them in here, but their instincts tell them to sleep up as high as they can so that predators don't get them on the ground. Some of the different eggs that the chickens lay. This one was laid by that yellow chicken that you saw outside. These light brown ones were laid by the ones that are in here, the black and white ones. They're called barred rocks. The other ones are buff rocks, the yellow ones. And these were laid by the black and white ones that are more like spotted black and white. And they're called silver spangled Hamburgs. So we have all different kinds of eggs. So a chicken's internal temperature is actually 107 degrees. So they're very warm. And they're really warm because when they sit on eggs, sometimes they hatch them into baby chicks. And that helps them to stay warm. So that's how they keep their babies warm, is because they're so warm. Something really cool about chicken eggs is that they have a special coating on them when they come out of the chicken that helps them to be antibacterial. That means that no bacteria is going to get inside the egg, which is the part that we would eat. It's very special. And what happens is it's microscopic. That means it's so teeny, teeny, tiny. You can't see it and you can't even feel it. But it's a special layer that helps to keep the egg clean on the inside. And it helps us if we don't wash it off, actually, so that when we eat the eggs, they're nice and healthy and yummy, and there's no bacteria in there that could make us sick. When you get eggs from the grocery store, they have been washed already. So that's why you put them in the refrigerator, because that antibacterial layer has been washed off to make sure that they're definitely safe to eat. And you keep them in the fridge so they don't get any bacteria in them, or they don't get rotten or things like that. So when you get eggs from the grocery store, you put them in the refrigerator because this antibacterial layer has been washed off the eggs. It's called the bloom. That's what it's called, the bloom. But what we do at my house, because we get fresh eggs and it has the bloom on it, is we just leave our eggs right on the counter, or in something like this, our eggs right on the counter in something like this called an egg spinner. These are the chicken treats. So there's some corn in there, some sunflower seeds, and even some little freeze-dried worms. The chickens love this stuff. I know some of the stuff we would eat, right? Like we would eat corn and we would eat sunflower seeds, but we probably wouldn't eat worms. So they eat some of the things that we eat, and then they eat different things like bugs and things like that that we probably wouldn't eat. I give some of the chickens some treats now so you can see them enjoying their treats. Now, just like with people, we don't want to give them treats all the time, right? Because it's not healthy for us. So it's a once in a while kind of thing, so that they're still eating their healthy foods and they're not filling up on all the yummy sweet stuff like the treats all the time. I still want them to be able to find their own food. And dig and scratch and find bugs in the ground. That's really important for them to be able to dig and scratch so that they don't get lazy. So we don't give them treats very often, but when we do, they really enjoy it. It's fun for them. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. They love these treats. So you can see these two chickens here. See how they're scratching their feet in the dirt? and then pecking in the dirt, they're finding bugs and worms and good things to eat in there. Have this tire in their coop because we put sand in there and fresh sand and dirt all the time. And I know that sounds funny. They have all of this dirt, right? Like, why would we need to put more dirt in here? But what we do is we put fresh dirt and sand in here, and the chickens actually take a bath in there. I know you probably are thinking, Mrs. DiMauro, you're crazy. Why would chickens take a bath in dirt? But they do. That's another difference between people and chickens, right? We take a bath or a shower with water, and chickens take a bath with dirt, and they get all of the nutrients and antimicrobials. That's a big word. But they get nutrients, and they get these little tiny invisible things that help chickens to be able to take care of their bodies and stay clean. So they kind of roll around in the dirt, and they get it all in between their feathers, and that's how they stay clean. So we give them some fresh dirt so they can take a bath in it and get all those nutrients and minerals in there. In the morning, the chickens come off of their little roost perch. It's like their bed. They get out of their bed in the morning. They kind of hang out in here for a little bit. They probably lay an egg or two. Oh, and I see my Lovey's going to go back in her nest box, and she's going to be upset because I took her eggies. It's okay. Chicken here who's all puffed up like that, it seems like she's upset, and it's because she kind of is. She has been something that we call broody. And what broody means is that the chicken sits and sits and sits and sits and sits on her eggs, and she thinks that she's going to hatch baby chicks. But in reality, she's not going to hatch baby chicks because you need special eggs to hatch baby chicks, and we don't have these special eggs here at my farm. So she sits on her eggs even though she's not going to hatch baby chicks because she doesn't know. She thinks she's going to hatch baby chicks, but she's not. So what I'm going to do actually is in a couple weeks, I'm going to be getting baby chicks, and I'm going to give them to her while she's sleeping so she can take care of them and be a big mommy chicken. So we're going to see how she does with that. And she's going to take care of them because it seems like she really wants to be a mommy. So we're going to give her some babies to take care of. Now, it's super important when we take care of chickens, especially if we're cleaning their coop, that we have gloves on so that we stay safe, because chickens get really dirty. If you see over here, I'm going to clean up their coop a little bit. And when they sleep at night, they poop, and then I have to clean it up so that their coop is really clean, and that makes them healthy, and it also makes their eggs healthy for us to eat. So I make sure that their coop is really, really clean and that their water's really clean. But it's important that when we're cleaning the chicken coop or cleaning anything, especially if we're using cleaning products, that we have gloves on so that our body stays safe too.